Guitar Bobby here. Just responding to a request with a little bit of distortion. Somebody asked me to do something with a little distortion, so I said, okay. Going back and forth between A minor and D minor. Now I'm in E minor. I recommend E minor as a good place to start with the blues because all the strings are in the E minor blues scale, which are the scale is E, G, A, B flat. There's the blue note and B. And then D, E. I'm in that. I'm in that first position. On the first string, there's that B flat again, bending up to that blue note. We'll move up into the second, between the second, third position here. All the way up to the 12th fret. So I'm going 7, 10 on that first string. On the B string, 10, 8, 9, 7, 9, 8, 7, and then 9, 7. Again, the key D minor. You can see my left hand. If you walk through the garden, you better watch your back. I beg your pardon. A major on that fifth. Stay on the straight and narrow track. If you walk with Jesus, He gonna save your soul. But you gotta help me keep the devil way down in the hole. He's got the fire and the fury at His command. But you don't have to worry. Just hold on tight to Jesus' hand. We'll all be saved from Satan here when the thunder rolls. But you gotta help me keep the devil down in the hole. Back and forth slugging between the A major and the B major. Back to E minor. The angels sing about Jesus' mighty soul. They're gonna shield you with their wings and keep you close to the Lord. They know He needs the temptation. No lambs are so cold. You just gotta help me keep the devil way down in the hole. Themes from The Wire. So good to be able to play and share. So God bless you all, and remember, peace, whatever happens. If the world's going to hell in a handbasket, we can still have peace. We can still embrace peace and reject war and violence. And that's what I want to do. One of my favorite songwriters used to say, when he was in the land of the living, playing music is easier than loving your enemies. Might as well start with the easy stuff. Peace.